Chapter 1 Introduction, The Nature of Science and Physics. Figure 1.1. Galaxies are as immense as atoms are small. Yet the same laws of physics describe both, and all the rest of nature, an indication of the underlying unity in the universe. The laws of physics are surprisingly few in number, implying an underlying simplicity to nature's apparent complexity. Credit: NASA, JPL Caltech, P. Barmby, Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. Chapter Outline. 1.1. Physics, an Introduction. 1.2. Physical Quantities and Units. 1.3. Accuracy, Precision, and Significant Figures. 1.4. Approximation.